Dear sir, what is your role in SAP implementation?
I took this responsibility of making this SAP implementation for my company behalf called VIJAY RAJA Homes Private Limited and VIJAY RAJA Precast Concrete Private Limited. It was a very hard situation in the beginning, but moving stage by stage, we found some confidence is built in the system, and we were doing a good job, and my team also responded a good job, as well as Zyple also helped us in making a wonderful execution of SAP.
Thank you, sir. What is your experience in SAP implementation?
I believe that SAP implementation is possible, only possible, if you put your full effort and logical thinking. Those who are dedicatedly working in the system only can implement SAP. That is the experience I earned in this during the execution of SAP.
Thank you, sir. How much productivity improvement do you see?
100%. Because the previous working seems to be very unorganized. Once we implemented the SAP, it seems to be organized. Even our people started working organizedly. So the system platform been made, and our people have been adapted to that system.
Thank you, sir. We developed and deployed multiple advanced solutions. Can you share your top favorite one of the following? Budget with EM book, Weighbridge with CCTV integration, safety, material dispatch with biometrics authentication, RA billing, security gate.
EM book which was converted, I was very happy, and I also appreciated very personally.
Thank you, sir. How much profitability improvement do you see?
When the leakage is stopped, automatically the fund flow will improve in the company. 5 to 10% will make a lot of difference in the total turnover.
Thank you very much, sir.